my top 10 best restaurants for the year 2024. Sa dami namin nakainan sa taon na to, here are our 2024 favorites. This list is based solely on our preference and of course personally yung pinaka na-enjoy naming kain. Let me know rin besties if may nakainan na kayo dito at saka share nyo na rin sa akin yung top 10 favorite restaurants nyo. This is in no particular order kasi ang hirap niyang i-rank. First on our list is Buffalo's Wild Wings and Things. An oldie but always a goodie. Solid chicken sauce flavors. Mas nagustuhan ko lalo ngayon kasi may boneless fried chicken na sila. Garlic parmesan pa lang sa chipotle lime solve na ako. Number 9 is Ombu Cocina's crispy pata. For me, one of the best crispy patas I've had. If not, dare I say, the best crispy pata. Perfectly crispy skin and super tender ng laman. Love na love ko yung garlic glaze nila. Number 8, I was afraid the hype lang si Ginzagyou, but it definitely lived up. Solid modern Japanese food. Medyo more on the expensive side, but for me, you get what you pay for. Honestly, love all of their rice dishes. Number 7 is Cheesecake by Chele. Sa labanan ng trending cheesecakes this year, for me, winner yung kay Chele. Plus the fact na siya din yung pinaka-affordable option. But overall, ito yung pinakapasok sa preference ko. Number 6, Saigon Corner. Dahil pagdating sa Vietnamese food, sila pa rin yung go-to ko. I keep coming back dun sa kanilang satay pho. Salted egg prawn was heaven. Lapit ko na matikman halos lahat ng dishes nila. And so far, no complaints. Halfway na tayo and I'm giving it to Milagritos for the best kare-kare I've had this year. Hits all the marks sa gusto ko sa kare-kare. Peanutty, velvety, nagmamantika. Beef was super tender. Super nice pa ng ambience. Number 4 goes to my best birria, sila Guadamas. As in sa dami ng birrias na natikman ko, ito pa rin pinaka-favorite ko. Other than their birria, ang sarap din talaga ng Mexican food nila. Down to our last 3 restaurants. And syempre kasama dyan si Rich for my best Indian restaurant. On the expensive side pero worth every penny. Wala kami nakain masama dito as in lahat masarap. From the curry to the meats, all superb. Family fried chicken, I have to include. Ang sarap ng kain namin dito as in comfort food talaga siya. Yung reason kung bakit siya love na love sa Zamboanga and all of their food hits the right spot. And last but of course not least, yung favorite tendon ko from Tendon Kohaku. Still for me, my best tempura. Perfect lang talaga nila yung rice nila. And feeling ko Japan levels na. I have to give my honorable mentions lang. I have to give a shoutout to CPK. Sila best kami kumain ng family ko dito this year. And we had a good experience every time. Same goes with Yayoi, our go-to Japanese chain restaurant. 4 or 5 times kami bumalik dito. And Golden Catch for the freshest salmon sashimi. That's it for my top 10 best restaurants for 2024. And see you ulit sa 2025 food trip. Oh my God, Happy New Year, besties! Ichoy!